To send a message to Sharon Burke and the Not So Solid Agency. I know exactly what you do the other night at the stadium when you try to sabotage my performance. Only can't control me already. Yeah, and Shaggy is a people me need.
Yo, my people, me nah lie. Me agree with Popcaan when it come to what him say about Shaggy. You understand? Now, I don't know the ins and outs what's going on with those people in the music business, but one thing I do know, the music business, it worse than drugs business to bomber clot. You have the most backbiter, the most stabbing a back, cut throat, and everything. You understand? Another thing, I saw a little excerpt of the performance where Popcaan do, and it was a good performance, and it was plagued by the sound thing. Now Popcaan, one thing I like about that youth there, you see when him got the dance, the stage show or whatever, him have an entourage, a man round him, and that's how you have to travel when you're in a music business, and them things they are going. You have to have a whole heap of man round you. Yo, people can't talk about Popcaan, all them want talk, but yo, the youth there, him a do him thing, and him know what him a do. Him no mix, him learn, the youth a get a youth, and me not see him a fight against the man. You understand? Now, as for TeeJay, I still a try to understand what him a say. And to be fair, me a listen this with Unu. The first time me a listen this. And me a go interject if me feel like interject. Alright? Let's go.
I'm telling you something, dog. I hold me own in this, bro. 3 artists when me look up to in a game style me already. You know hear that? When me never style them, I don't know them. 3 artists in a game style me when me as a dancehall artist when me boss and look up to them. Only artist ever reach out to me in a game is fucking Vybz Kartel. I say yo, bad artist. You hear me just say to you? I'm me a Vybz Kartel do tune. Respect you like Skilly Bang, me respect you like Ragging King, me respect you like Dexter Daps.
Yo, TeeJay, me have news for you. You did think life was a bed of roses? Eh? You think everybody have to like you? Eh? You don't know how life is. It's like you just a learn life by youth. You know how much man stab me in my back? Eh? You know how much money me lose? Eh? In my lifetime? Over $1 million my youth. Straight up, that me I tell you. So that's how life is. So what are you saying? Can me lose over $1 million? What are you saying? Let's go.
Why? Yeah, man, I say, I want to screen record alive, yeah. 2020, my life has been hell. Here, like 2020, my life changing in music. You see me? And I don't know, me I do this a long time. I want to screen record alive there. Me I do this a long time, bro. Long time. From Prime Minister, 9X Knowledge, TeeJay, Bottom Pen, Glenn Devon, we not keep Bottom Friend. 2017, got New York. Apart bigger tipsy them, Mobile Empire. Straight. Big up all of you them will support TeeJay from day one. Producer them like Damage Music, X-Tal, Young Kings them and the whole of them youth, they were believing in my career from day one. Stars plus Fox. Brawling, big up yourself youth. From 2013 me I tell about now. Where we get the link with Fox and got Stars plus. Stars Plus.
Yo, me don't know. Maybe I'm me, but TeeJay, I say, he want explain him life. Like me say before. Welcome to life, TeeJay. You know, born like Matalan them and the boot steward them of Jamaica. You don't know, ghetto youth, you have to work hard. You understand? You can't trust everybody, and you can't like everybody, and everybody is not going to like you. You're gonna lose a lot and gain a lot.
By pampas for the youth and them thing there. Let me do some show more while to amount of bills to pack up for me, bro. See me? Stay so 2018 me boss as a dancehall artist with Up Top Boss. Up Top did I go on good. See me? Stay so me Ramesh Entertainment. Ramesh Entertainment. Do it, dog. No matter what me and the youth have noticed, me never come on road come chat bad about Ramesh yet. Because then you they discover my talent, then you they see me on Dream Weekend, and then you they see me on the Flyers, see me on the Dream Weekend, and a Shaggy Sharon Dream Weekend, and then Monday. The Monday stays and say, youth, oh, if you're on Dream Weekend with one of the biggest songs in Jamaica, you not get no money, no liquor, no nothing at all. Ramesh Entertainment I say, youth, you know, so me can't sign here, you help you structure the thing, bro, and make sure say somebody watch the thing around you, who can help push the thing when the thing reach where if you go on. You see me? Anyway, ending up that grimy boss them dead 2020. You see me? Grimy, Afro Man and Snow dead one time, bro. You see me? After Ramesh help and make a thing reach where if you reach, you see me? So no matter what happened with me and Ramesh, we never come a road and nobody will never know what happened, but we are big man and no matter what me no walk past them youth there, you see me? Cause then you they see talent dog and me I want boy we pray say when somebody do 99 good for you, one bad, you can't even hate them for you one bad, bro. You see me? Big man think they do 99 good, so I don't hate them, you they don't tell. I mean I look no petty in idea, I mean I look no pity. But the moral of the story me saw on video go around, and moral of the story is 2020 my life changed, bro. Like my life changed, bro, from grimy, Afro Man and Snow dead. Like whole heap of people start show them true colors, dog. Like something happened and like it did way beyond some people control, and I mean alone as the artist could have stayed so and take the time out to fix it, bro. Me take the time out to take 3 years out of my life to fix my career, my personal life, to see the people them who me really need in my life. And me the American, when I tell me all the American I say I'm go done with music, I go done with Jamaica and be a thing, cause as a mobile artist, I never really bust it and fight no war, bro, and buy no bag of gun and them thing there, bro. When I come from a Glendevon, bro, like, yo, with dark, bro, like, me no need to buy a gun, bro, you see me? Big man thing, like, we don't need that. So I never did up top me channel, I never did that pre them thing, I did just one bust and braff and just enjoy me.
Okay, I guess he might try to clear him chest because him realize say if him now buy a gun and do certain things, the man them are gonna start pre him. So him kinda get a taste of what life is and what gang thing is and what all that music bullshit is. So I guess that him might try to say. But yeah, me I go fast forward this, you know, cause when I like TeeJay boring. I don't really want to hear about him life. Everybody go through whole heap of things, yo. We lose over $1 million, man stab me in my back. Yo, me get robbed, all sorts of things up to me in life, you understand? And I am still here and I'm still positive, okay? So, let's go.
Which is not like me hungry and me can't get no money and nothing, but to me paranoid because my dog them just did and I don't know where to come from and walk one. Some station cut left all Jamaica, bro. Station they are foreign and put in the work. And
you do the right thing when you cut left Jamaica. Cause you don't see what go on with the man them in a mobile round you. So, yo, yeah, that is a good thing, TeeJay. You do the right thing. But more get to the juicy part where you talk about Popcaan and them thing there. More hear what you have to say about Popcaan. Alright, let's go.
Link Big 12 and I tell him say God no would love if Sharon Burke could have managed the thing, cause at the time I say everybody always tell me bad things about Sharon Burke and this and that and that and that. And I say, Sharon Burke, this and that and that. And I say, Sharon Burke more manage me because Sharon Burke have something to prove to people and me have something to prove to. You see me? I'm the America, bro. I see Sharon Burke. I call Sharon Burke there and I get in the mom. I say, Mommy, you know, say, God, no. When you manage my career, because you is more of a mother. And you will understand. And you see me? Me and you get along and we have a communication. We have an understanding, you see me? And Mama say, yeah, man, would I do that? But I promise myself, so I not manage back no more artists. 2 show for Shaggy make me alright in a life. 2 show for Barrington Levy make me alright in a life. And that Mama tell me, say, Mama say, TeeJay, I stay far from dancehall. Because most of
TeeJay reveals something very, very important right here, so. I not lie. Him reveal how a lot of the older producer them feel and older promoter them and managers in the reggae business, dancehall music. Cause here Sharon Burke say she do 2 artists bookings and she alright in her life, and you can't blame her for that because the violence where the violence producer them are do behind the music, them a hide behind the music. And them a farm gang and I do all sorts of things. And I guess people know what's going on. So I think that's very important what TeeJay just revealed.
You see me? I don't have $1. I see that woman still so borrow money from blood clot bank and give me and say, yo, don't take no show from nobody. Then time when me there on a rummage, I get 8 grand for a show. 7 grand, 6 grand, man, I'll style with. You see me? I Sharon say, yo, don't take no show. We are bring your show, them go straight at 25,000 US. It's a big old Burna Boy show I go on, and I say, Sharon, who I go on? You produce Burna Boy show. Sharon Burke I say, yo, Jano. I'm not even going to do the rest of them. I swear, I say, Jano, mama, what go on? How TeeJay on the Burna Boy show? I say, yo, somebody say, if TeeJay on that show, the promoter them can keep their money. Enough bumbo clock, black bag bandwagon and blacklist me getting it, man. I'm just the all the same way, but
TeeJay, Lego that my youth, that now gonna help your career. Listen, if a Popcaan you talk, him is a big time artist and I saw the business go. If a man no want deal with you or perform with you, yo, him have enough clout, but him can't do that. Now, with that said, me not say the right thing, but it's a part of life. Enough boy me not like, and if them there somewhere, me not go there. And same way, enough man not like me. If countryman there, them not go there. You have to accept that, my youth. You understand? So, me still a little bit confused. Me know you defend Sharon Burke, but me still confused.
8 o'clock, when me turn up in a show, I say I got a Burna Boy show. Go watch Burna Boy perform. 8 o'clock when I turn up in a show, I call Sharon and I say, where the Sharon? I say, still there at hotel. You see me? I say, Mama, so what me come here for? If you still there at the fucking hotel, you must say, no man, enjoy yourself, re. Bro, let me tell you something, dog. I hold me own in this, bro. 3 artists when me look up to in a game style me already. You know hear that? When me never style them, I don't know them. 3 artists in a game style me when me as a dancehall artist when me boss and look up to them. Only artist ever reach out to me in a game is fucking Vybz Kartel. I say, yo, bad artist. You hear me just say to you? I'm here Vybz Kartel do tune. Respect you like Skilly Bang, respect you like Raggin King, respect you like Dexter Daps, respect you like Governor, respect you like Idonia. You have real people in the music, I have some boy a pussy in the music, you hear that? From when me want to talk my mind, I'm just there holy, I'm just feel like today the right time. Some boy a pussy in the music, real pussy as a countryman, as a man from Moby, me can't tell you that. They don't want nobody bigger than them, they don't. But me the response for them little fans them and them little people want to say. Me they are all me own and me have my fan base see me and me sing real music.
TeeJay once again like you know your feelings my you. Also music things state worse than drugs. Alright? So what y'all say is nothing surprising. Me know you might probably go in a thing and expect, yo, my girl and a man are gonna help me and this and that. No. You have to scratch out your thing. You understand? You have to scratch it out. Me been realize that in a life. Even though sometimes you might give people the benefit of the doubt, TeeJay. You understand? So everybody is a pussy. Or put it like this, my mother used to say, everybody is a thief until them get catch. Always remember that. Everybody is a thief until them get catch.
I do good music. Me not watch nice I market. If you know say me fall off or me flop, me used to get 8 grand for a show, now me get 25 and 30 and 60 and 50 out there. So me good. So if I really little trending or little this me for watch, if I crab in a barrel me I do it for, me no feel like that a TeeJay. You see me? Big woman thing. No for who no see I go like they really in the music. They don't. No for them do it for internet, no for them do it for clout, no for them do this for internet. Look for me good. Me go around them, then try drain energy, then try style people, then try do some things. No for them. No, reality. Big up Gully God same way, you see me? Big man thing. Straightforward. Me just got Kingston, Jamaica, one family. Fox them say Gully God say, you know me have to say Gully God too. No matter what, as a legend, you see me? So big up Gully God, them youth, them not no at all against them youth there. But if never fi call name to them man. You hear me I tell you no for them. No for them only do this for internet. Swear from your heart, dog. We do this for love, we do this for real, bro. Bro, no feel say a joke thing me I tell you man, we telling you some things man. When we hold to we own man, and I remember say I say we sing own alien man, me not look no pity man, me not nobody sorry for me man. You ever see me a big friend man? You know see some hold that man. Them boy once they realize say you're bad too bro, then don't want you bigger than them bro. And they keep big bro, look how much artists me see them build and kill same way bro. But you no can't kill me. Me already got through the gate and a data bono no. TeeJay make it through the gate already and we people them who feel love with. Who feel love with? Love we already. You see me? Also drop some new song you know and do the thing right way all if you do. Big up yourself Sharon Burke, big up yourself Solid Agency. When my life in a problem and depths, you help and take it out. And sometimes it's not the big thing what people do face, the small little things that matter in our life. The small things. Big up Shaggy. You do song with me for my album. You're a real youth. Me can take up it on my head. One team, one dream. Solid Agency, me say. UTC. Suck your mother boy. Puh!
Well, from the way him talk this so, everybody know a Popcaan in my talk. And like me say, TeeJay, you carry a grudge. And you wear your feelings for your shoulder. Me understand that, cause me kinda stay the same way. But at the same time, you can't follow up them things that you have to know say yo. You focus, the people them you surround yourself with, you grow. At the end of the day, and Sharon Burke alone, a good music promoter or manager, you have other people out there. Shensi a boss to enough people. So I mean it's a big thing. So if Popcaan don't want perform with you, that's life. And I saw it got my youth. Hey, that's all me can say. So in a way I'm still confused. But me kinda see what TeeJay I do. He might defend Sharon Burke and Shaggy them. And me I say Shaggy a pussy. And that me I say. Me not say nothing bad about TeeJay. And me like how Popcaan flex, the man a doing thing yo. Him scratch out for him own thing. Pretty much him and TeeJay I say the same thing. So I saw me see it. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Click on any that thing. Not very revealing. Kinda mundane this video TeeJay put out, but hey, a film point of view. I'm out.